Ever helped someone so much that you ended up needing help? Yeah. That moment when you're exhausted, broke, emotionally drained, and still saying, "It's okay, I got this." Let's talk about that. Helping others feels good. It makes you feel kind, important, needed. You answer calls at midnight. You fix problems that aren't yours. You carry other people's stress like it came with free home delivery. At first, you feel like a hero. Later, you feel like a very tired, unpaid employee. Here's the tricky part. Helping slowly turns into overhelping. You stop asking, "Can I?" and only ask, "How fast?" You cancel your plans, ignore your own problems, and tell yourself, "I'll rest later." Spoiler alert, later never comes. And the funny thing, the more you give, the more people expect. Miss one call, and suddenly you're the villain. It's like lending someone your charger every day, and the one time you say no, they act like you stole their phone. Helping isn't the problem. Losing yourself is. You start feeling guilty for resting, guilty for saying no, guilty for choosing yourself. Meanwhile, no one feels guilty watching you burn out. That's when kindness turns into quiet self-destruction. Real help has boundaries. It says, "I care about you, but I also care about me." That's not selfish. That's sane. So here's the truth we avoid. You can be a good person without being everyone's solution. You don't have to set yourself on fire just to keep others warm. Help when you can. Step back when you must. Because the world doesn't need another exhausted hero. It needs healthy humans who know when to protect their own peace.